Keep your drain system free-flowing and deter drain flies with state's No Contest. No Contest is a gel-based clinging drain maintainer designed to provide maximum protection for your drains and is made up of neem oil, an all-natural drain fly deterrent, as well as 5 strains of bacteria. Its unique formula uses a thickener to coat the accumulated biological matter that commonly harbors drain flies. The combination of bacteria strains then break down and clear the buildup, while the neem oil works to deter drain flies. Its gel-like qualities allow it to be applied virtually anywhere organic matter, proteins, starches, or grease persist, even in vertical applications. No Contest is ideal for floor drains, beverage tower drain lines, and restrooms. It can also be used to remove stubborn soils and garbage chutes, dumpsters, and much more. No Contest, another great solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.